Hey guys, the bar owner is because of their sheeple who doesn't believe in what we're doing, wants us to leave. We'll leave. We'll leave.
So I paid for my food.
If you were a certain person, you had no status in life for a certain person. And you were paying people hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Cards on the card. I want to pay cash. No, I want to pay cash.
This is why your party's gonna lose. Because you think you run the whole world, it ain't gonna freaking happen. All right, this is why your party's gonna lose.
I want to pay cash. I don't want my
This is why your boss shouldn't call and suck butt to have business.
I need my
Because y'all don't know how to operate a business. All right? If somebody was disrespecting you, we'd be the first ones to jump in and help you. But nobody disrespected you. When we can't talk freely in a bar in Texas, well then fuck that shit. No, he wasn't. He wasn't being disrespectful to you. He's speaking freely. Somebody attacking you. Just telling you that.
Y'all are not going to attack me.
Somebody is attacking you. You're going to call the police, and all we're doing is watching TV.
That's just like a Democrat who can't stand the fucking truth.
She lied.
But if we were to burn down this motherfucker, they would say, oh, it's all right. It's a peaceful protest, right? No, let's tell it how it is. Huh? You know that.
Yeah, you know that. You know she's lying.
First Amendment free
zone. Right here. No, she's lying. She's lying. Houston is fucking trash. You are trash. You are trash. She's lying. Totally lying.
Just making a point. By no means are we saying we're going to do that. We're saying we're not going to do that. It's funny how y'all let other ones do that.
You look at Ferguson, you look at Oakland, look what happened in than what I'm even seeing now.
No, I'm just asking, is that a rule? I can't say fuck in a bar? I can't say fuck in a bar? Yeah, the Nazis were doing their jobs, Caroline. So I can't say fuck in a bar. That's illegal in America. Why are you taking up for her? Why? Why? She doesn't respect other people's free speech? So you don't respect people's free speech? What are your thoughts on this?
Oh, hey, I'll let the police know, man. So we are protected by our freedom of speech. We can't have snowflakes that are employees that sit there and make comments. This is a debate that we're watching. People have feedback that they want to give. People listen to something, and debates are heated, right? So we're still protected by our freedom of speech, and it's wrong for a employee that has no power and authority that represents a entity or a business owner to say, hey, you offend me, and so I want you to cop big and leave. So if one goes, we all go.
For sure.
United we stand.
And she told Nick that Len used foul language towards her and sexually harassed her.
Not at all, not at all. And when that false information is being shared with our fine police officers that are here to enforce something that's uncomfortable, then it speaks highly of the person that owns this establishment, especially when this is the second time for us to come back within 7 days.
Right on there?
Vote Trump up.
We're getting kicked out the bar. It's across from the Minute Maid Park.
I know. I'm gonna beat your ass. Stop fucking talking.
Listen up! We're not going to do that. We're not going to do that.
Her.
We're not going to do that.
Donna, eat a burger.
That one guy. But I'm going to turn this to something else.
White guy.
What do you mean?
She just pranked me. She just pranked me. I should be honest. She just pranked me. She just pranked me.
That's illegal.
Don't talk to
You can't threaten people though.
I'm not even talking to you.
I'm saying you
Mind your business.
That's anyone's business. You can't threaten people, dude. You're gonna tell me to mind my own business? You're threatening people. You're telling people you're gonna assault them. You can't talk to anybody like that. It's illegal to threaten people. She just broke the law right in front of you, dude. Come on. Oh, well, you're kicking me out now for saying you should do your job? To do your job? Oh, that's rich, bud. That's really rich. That is rich.
She's threatening people in front of you.
I know! And you won't do anything about it because you're paid for it. That's rich. That's rich. Go ahead and mean mug me. You can't do anything to me. Yeah, I got my card. I'll be leaving this First Amendment free zone. No Constitution here at Home Plate Bar and Grill.
The media's gonna
As
love.
an officer, we don't know because he's got a mask on.
The media's gonna love this. They're gonna love this.
I don't know about that, but thank you guys for being cool. I'm sorry because I'm normally not like that.
Don't just keep it cool. Keep cool.
You guys are pathetic. Pathetic. Hey, this is what happens.
Oh, you got the refund back.
When you speak your mind at a political debate in a bar, they say that you can't say cuss words. I'm laughing so
They got crazy in
bad.
here. Huh? So they got crazy in here right now.
And so she doesn't like our comments as we're sitting here going through their debate. So this is our second event.
Here we go again with the snowflakes ruining everything. Can't even say fuck in a bar. Welcome to America 2020. You can't say fuck in a bar, but she can threaten people. And the cops do nothing as she threatens people right in front of them.
Take care of it if you just stay out of the way. The killer of a young man in the middle of the street, they shot him.
I don't feel bad for her. She brought all this on herself.
The chaos and violence happens across.
Like the comic.
You were standing right here, right in front of you.
I'm white lady. I can hear everybody was screaming.
Yeah.
That's what he's keep trying to
Everybody that
He doesn't want to accomplish instead of going in and talking to people and saying, let's get everybody together, figure out how to do this. What you do? You just put gas in the fire, constantly, every single subject.
So we can watch it on Facebook for 22 more minutes outside.
You have prepared
We were here last Saturday for the unmasked, unmuzzled rally. All right. So we're the ones that set this up with the owner. He knew the event that we were hosting. Yes, they're all with us.
So who was you guys having a problem with?
The bartender.
Bartender got
The
us.
bartender, because she's a Democrat.
Oh, he just said, he goes, hey, no cussing. And I'm the first one to say it. I said, hey, it's a bar. Okay?
We're talking to the TV, not at her.
Wrong. Racism. And another comment came up there.
Houston,
He
Texas.
said another cuss word.
So the bartender told
He goes, hey, like we said, it's a bar.
the guy that gave us the approval tonight that he sexually, his fouling was towards her, and was sexually indecent towards her.
You said what?
That she is saying that Len used foul language towards her and was sexually indecent towards her.
Oh, no, they were not.
Then that's when she goes. That's when she goes. That's enough. That's what she called you guys. When y'all showed up, I walked out. I was you know what I told her? I said, man, trust me. Somebody has been cussing me here the wrong way. You and baby, this is good. I don't know about that.
No, it's Manchester Tires.
So this is what's going on. So I'm community leader Tex Christopher. And well, yeah, I invited some of my friends and Mr. Lynn Swanson. We had a gathering on Saturday morning, and we're Republicans, right? Of all different ethnic groups. And the Black Democrats, Bartender, who's a employee, we're sitting. You can tell by the way. No, I don't assume anything. As a community leader, I do not assume. It's that's out of you and me both. So she's sitting there and she doesn't like the feedback as we're watching a debate. Now debates get heated, right? So we're all sitting there and there's one or two people that say, hey, you know what? I disagree with the Democrat presidential nominee. So she doesn't like it. So she's like, hey, I'm going to go ahead and make a fuss. She's going to go call 911 or whatever. Now, as a community leader, I'm sharing with you.
That's why we're being peaceful. Hey, they got their freedom too. We got a choice.
And so now the owner's going to lose our business.
Well, we're going to talk to the owner right now.
Well, tell that from me. We will no longer
Because he said fuck in the bars.
We will not promote his bar. Fucking, we just lost major business because of his Democratic.
So where are we going?
Joe was going to go down in the 8th round.
That whole play.
Prez was putting it on him. He was mad because he was going down. Frazier was going down.
My drink just slipped right out of my hand in the bar in there. I'm so clumsy.
They don't know who they pissed off. You know me.
Yeah, I know.
And I got it recorded too.
You're shy, very shy.
I'm very shy. Am I shy, Thomas, or what?
Yeah, very shy.
What part of no more supporting Home Plate Bar and Grill when he hires Democrats to embarrass us like this after all the money that we spent here tonight? That is not there again. There was no comments directed towards his bartender. It was directed to what was on the TV.
She claimed to Nick that you used foul language towards her and you were sexually indecent towards her.
Witnesses here.
Y'all got witnesses.
There was no talk to her. We did not cuss at her. We were cussing at Biden. We were cussing at the
She was mad that
lies.
we were enthusiastic towards the debate.
She did not like the fact that she's a Democrat and she's getting her ass handed in a hat basket as we will do a landslide victory because of sheeple and because of their, such alliance to the ignorant. What part of you pissed off the wrong group of GOP who supported this bar, but we will not come back here anymore, especially after what we post as a result of this.
Ever, never, ever.
But to be honest, what do they expect having a debate party in 2020?
Exactly.
It's so sad. The cops were there, and then the cops said we didn't hear anything when the bartender was threatening the supporters and the debate watchers. But yes, when the debate watcher are having fun and we're just being happy, and that's why we are being, kicked out from
Biased
the bar.
against
That is just
by
so
Democrats
wrong.
who can't
Very,
stand
very wrong.
the truth at the end of the day. Why do you think they're going to lose so bigly?
Yeah.
We gotta go home and watch it.
All right. Okay, where are we going now? Where are we headed?